Welcome back to the channel, you Kookz. Today on the Vankookz channel, we are going to be showing you a day in the life of what us Kookz eat. I'm going to school to be a functional nutritionist. Kevin is going to be a health coach. So I think we go above and beyond in this category. So we're going to show you how we parking lot pimp and make some Instant Pot in the parking lot. Let's get into it.
It's 6 in the morning and you gotta get up early to get the best spot at the parking lot. And we're the first ones here today. That's a first. Usually there's some passionate parking lot overnighters, but
We're not that brave.
we got our best spot. There's a nice little picnic table down there. And we would park here, but we don't get sun. There's nice shade, which could be nice, but we got it made in the shade. Show you the spot. Not too shabby. We're gonna start the day off. Danny's out on a run, and I like to start my day. I'm actually doing this 200-hour teacher training by Siddhi Yoga, and I've been really enjoying it. It's packed full of tons of information, so soon I will be a certified yoga teacher, and I am working on this class. I'm going to do a little flow out of this while Danny's on a run. Then we're going to do the best part of the day is make some coffee, and then we're going to, you know, tackle this day in the parking lot. Breakfast time, and we are cooking what we always are cooking. Some nice uncured, sugar-free, nitrate-free bacon. And we always just cook the bacon first, and we use the grease to cook the rest. So here we go. So I see a lot of men out there, you know, just getting served by their wives, but you know, we have a gender role flip here. You know, we don't practice those gender roles. So guys, you want to be a real legend, treat your van life princesses and make them some delicious, nutritious food.
Yes.
So
I'm so lucky to have a boy that cooks.
So we got the standard Kookz breakfast: eggs, bacon, sauteed arugula, and avocado. And sometimes we add the sauerkraut in there too. So just a quick update on the food. We do try to eat a keto diet at least through the morning into the afternoon. We'll sometimes break the keto to practice some metabolic flexibility. But for the most part, we seem that we do so much better eating keto and avoiding carbs and sugar. Like, our energy levels are so much higher in a keto diet. We've tried so many diets. We've been vegan, we've done lectin-free diets, we've done paleo, we still do paleo, but the keto has been really working for us. So one day when we get our shit together, we'll have our nutrition blog and we can go through all that there, but just kind of wanted to touch bases there. Best part of this meal is it's so easy to clean, and it's all done in one pot. And I have this cast iron metal like scrubber, and thanks to Betsy for recommending the cast iron. It's been working great, and this scrubber really helps get the stuff off. So all I gotta do is scrub this, and then I'll use this hot water and I'll put it in the bowls, and then I'll be done. All right, we're here at the parking lot watering hole. My hair is a mess as always, but look, it's nice blue and crystal clear. So we gotta cool off. It is hot. Danny's first.
Instantly cooled down with that cool off. We haven't come here before. We've been eyeing it for a while, and this is nice. We'll be back.
And yeah, the lake is so low. Like, usually this would be a rushing river.
Oh my gosh, it's baby duck. So on the menu tonight, we're having orange chicken with rice and just a bunch of vegetables. And we're doing the Instant Pot in the parking lot. I'm sauteing the chicken right now, and then I'll come back in 10 minutes. It's nice and disguised here.
You got an overloaded Instant Pot.
So while that is coming out of pressure for 10 minutes, I am starting to warm up the sauce, the orange chicken sauce that's going to go on it. And if you're interested in the recipe, let us know in the comments and give us your email and we'll shoot you the recipe. So this is what the sauce comes out like. It's pretty thick and it's about 1/3 of what was there. So you gotta wait till about 1/3 is left. And this has been what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, this is ready.
But chicken looks a little boring, so we're gonna spice it up.
All the skin fell off. We neglected it while it was cooking for a second and it all stuck to the pan. Okay, dinner's ready. It looks delicious. And now we're going to show you after we eat how we turn the kitchen into the dishwashing station. Well, Kookz, you just witnessed the best van meal ever on YouTube, documented ever. If you've seen a better one, you gotta link that in the comments.
Yeah, prove it.
Now we got the dishwasher station. Part of the best parking lot on earth is it comes with water as well. And we're gonna show you that high pressured water system we got here.
Water, power, benches, shade. What else does it have? What else doesn't it?
It's got a lot of stuff. I feel like we're just giving you guys too many angles to figure out where we're at. Dishes are done. And now I gotta put on my campground host uniform and clean this place up. When you find a good parking lot and you know you wanna take care of it and stick around for a while, sometimes you gotta throw on your campground host shirt. So we're out here, we got an awesome setup. We got picnic tables. We got Lake Tahoe over here. And yeah, and I got this really nice tool sent to us by the fine folks at Kookz. And it's a trash grabber.
It folds up.
And it folds. And
magnet, right?
It has a magnet and a light.
You want to do that night move.
So if you're working on the night move. But I was gonna say, anyone out there who sends us a picture in their campground host t-shirt picking up trash, you will get a free grabber tool. So hit us up on Instagram at Vankookz in your campground host shirt while you're just doing your civic duty. Thought I'd share that with you guys. Vankookz Giveaway. Second one, and Matt Bolton, you can't win twice.
Why not?
Just kidding, I guess you can. Danny wants you to win.
His kids will probably like it.
And we also have great service here, and Danny is just being a great student.
I'm working on my fasted state diagram. I decided to do a diagram. We can do whatever we want. I was gonna do a video, but it's a lot of stuff to talk about.
Not a bad dorm room. Well, Kookz, all good things come to an end. We are gonna catch a movie here in the park, but after that, as you can see the sign, no overnight parking tonight. So we will respect the authority and not park here, but thanks for watching, guys. We would love it if you could share this with your friends or any of your favorite Vankookz videos. Go ahead and share those, like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more just kind of along the same series, what van life's really like. So we hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys next week.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you next week.